Here are 5 things that you can do to be a better overnight swing trader in 2025. I'm Rosh, the founder of SpyTomorrow.com, a website designed to support overnight swing traders. Overnight swing trading is very attractive because it allows you to capture those big moves overnight without getting in your own way, kind of like you can do with day trading. Because I tend to get in my own way during the day. Overnight swing trading is high risk, high reward trading. The name of the game is to maximize your gains and, of course, minimize your losses. And minimizing your losses is one of the best things that you can do to continue to grow your portfolio over the long term. The thing is, when everything is going well with your overnight swing trading and you're doubling and tripling your account, you feel like there's no end and you'll never have a losing streak. But the fact is, you will have losing streaks. So it's important to understand your position sizes. So rather than doubling down, make sure that you go the opposite direction when you start to lose. Make your position sizes smaller, not larger. One of the most important elements of overnight swing trading is the signal. And of course, that's what we do at SpyTomorrow.com and StratePro.com. We provide a signal based off of different indicators. And for the public, it's either up or down. However, if you dig in and maybe you have your own signal, you can develop derivatives of that signal, which can help give you a probability or a confidence number. And one thing that tends to help you lose more money than you want over time is ignoring those numbers, just going up or down. For example, maybe the probability number is 53%, but it says up. So you're like, all right, I'm going up, without considering that it's almost really a 50-50 shot. And sometimes we get overconfident with our probability numbers because the probability number is high. But just because it's high doesn't mean it's guaranteed. So you shouldn't add more than your usual position size, even with the high numbers. One of the hardest things to do is put a pause on your trading. Maybe your indicator is going through a bad streak. Maybe there's a lot of news and the market's all over the place and you're just not catching a break. It's sometimes a good idea to just step aside, save your capital, and just keep an eye on the market and decide, okay, now is a better time to get in. Everything is kind of smoothed out. The fear of missing out is quite often the biggest reason why we don't step aside. We fear that that big move is the next trading day. But the thing is, there will be more big moves. There'll be more trading days. The market will be there when you come back. If you want to be a better overnight swing trader in 2025, you need to keep a journal. Keep track of your trades, what went right and what went wrong. And over time, you might start to see a pattern. And maybe the pattern is within your indicator, or perhaps the pattern is within your trading style or your temperament. You need to keep track of all that information because over time, it'll make you the trader you want to be. To be the trader that you want to be in 2025, you need to understand you can't be the expert in all types of trading. You should select specific styles or approaches of trading. Some people just focus on a specific stock or group of stocks or a sector or an ETF. Other people focus on overnight swing trading or a specific style of day trading or maybe long-term trading. But pick 1 or 2 or 3 to become an expert. Start with one and build out from there. And as you become that expert, you'll get better and better and understand different markets and understand when it's time to be in the market and when it's time to be out of the market. If you want to be a top overnight swing trader, well then definitely apply that last bit of advice. Select a very specific stock or ETF that you're going to trade overnight. Find a very specific signal, whether you've created it yourself or you use the Spy Tomorrow signals. But even within Spy Tomorrow, there are multiple signals. So pick one and then find support signals that help you understand how much confidence you can put in that signal to help you decide on perhaps your position size, or how aggressive you want to be in your overnight trade. Let's have an amazing 2025, and I'll see you in the next video.